Mercedes powered by BMW? Yep, you heard right, sounds crazy. Let's break down what's going on, why this is happening, and what could it mean for the future of both brands. According to the reports, Mercedes is negotiating with BMW to source the B48 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This is the same one you'll find in cars like the BMW 3 Series and even the Mini Cooper S. We could be seeing this engine soon under the hood of Mercedes models like the GLA, GLB, CLA, C-Class, and you guys won't believe this one, there's even talks of it being in an upcoming baby G-Wagen. So what's the big reason for all this? Well, it comes down to the new Euro 7 emissions regulations. Meeting these tougher standards is expensive and very complicated. By partnering up with BMW, Mercedes can save developmental costs, share technology, and this will allow them to focus on their electric and their much more exciting high-performance AMG cars. It's a smart business move if they can pull it off, but I'll be honest, it's a very surprising one considering that these two brands have been rivals for decades. Now, before us AMG nuts all panic, don't worry, your AMG is not going to suddenly get a BMW 4-cylinder engine. In fact, recent reports say that AMG is moving back towards inline 6 and the incredible V8 engines, which is amazing news. So while the BMW engines might power the regular Mercedes models, AMG seem fully committed to get that big engine drama back alive. Let's be honest, this isn't the first time rivals have teamed up. We've seen it with Toyota and BMW on the Supra and Z4. And of course, we've got my Aston Martin Vantage here. If you're a follower of the channel, you'll know we have so much fun in the Aston Martin Vantage here on ABAUTO, but you'll also know this car has a Mercedes AMG engine. It's part of a partnership between Aston Martin and Mercedes. In today's industry, collaborations are more important than ever to survive the transition to not only electric, but also all these really strict emissions laws. So what do you think? Would you buy a Mercedes knowing it has a BMW engine under the hood? Personally, I think it's a fascinating glimpse into how the car world is changing. The rivalry between Mercedes and BMW might not be as black and white as we always thought. As long as the AMG cars still have those amazing hand-built AMG V8s, I don't mind BMW engines coming into Mercedes. I mean, BMW is a fantastic brand and they do build amazing engines. So I like to think of this as a great thing, especially if it gives AMG more time and money to focus on the big AMG engines that I know a lot of my viewers love, me included. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick news scoop. I saw this in my feed and I thought, wow, that is super interesting. I've got to share it with you guys. We're going to be having lots of epic content coming this year with the Vantage. I want to get more AMGs on the channel, more viewers cars on the channel. So subscribe if you haven't already, guys, so you don't miss out on all that epic content. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.